All right, so this is one of the most overlooked steps in lawn care, and that is fighting off or controlling the fungus. If you've been here a while, you know you've seen me at some point use 3 of the 4 items. These items are located at your local big box stores, Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's. And I think Ace Hardware and Tractor Supply, if you guys frequent those areas, you should see the same products. They all carry pretty much the same products. But the Scott Disease X, I've used that in the past for controlling, well, curing and preventing the disease. I switched over, started using the Bio Advance for curing and preventing the disease, and then followed by the liquid. Now, I'll break down why I actually use 3 of these items in the past. I'll break it down to you further later on in the video. But if you have a disease currently, the liquid is going to be your best option to fight that disease right away. It's a liquid, it's in its purest form, and this one is actually the strongest of the 3 here with 2.42% propiconazole. So this is going to be your best option for fighting a disease if you currently have one. But we don't want to be waiting until we get a disease. We always want to be in the prevent stage. When you're in the prevent stage, when you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. In the reaction stage, you're going to use more of this product, you're going to be spending more money, and it's going to be more time consuming fighting off these diseases. So you always want to be in the preventative stage. I learned that the hard way. So now I always stay in the preventative stage. I always get my fungus control treatment down. I don't care if I need it or not. I want to make sure my lawn is protected. It gives me a peace of mind. I don't have to worry about a fungus for 30 days. All 3 of these products here are going to prevent a fungus for 30 days. Now, in the past, when I do prevention, I never had to do a second application. That one prevention got me through the summer, and then by the time the summer was pretty much up, I was doing my little renovation, my overseeding, aeration overseeding. So I got away with one treatment. As long as you're preventing your fungus, you'll be all set. You don't want to wait until you get one. That's when it's going to be way more time consuming. Like I said, going to be spending a lot more money because you're going to use a lot more product. Now, for those of you out there, I understand this is your organic option here. This is going to be the only thing available. I don't know if Dr. Earth is still available. I know I found this one at Lowe's. I wanted to bring it to you guys. I've never used this. You're going to use a lot more of this product. This one says every 7 to 14 days you're going to have to come out and spray it. I understand why you want to use it because, you know, you don't trust these harsh chemicals, but this is your option for organic. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys. I never used it, but as you guys can see, it's going to cover 5,000 square feet. So when it comes down to being a preventive stage, you're going to go ahead and apply it at the proper amount. All these products have the directions right here on the back, and that's where I think people run into trouble at, because we're not applying the proper amount. The proper way to apply these products, you're going to have to weigh it out, and you're going to have to know the square footage of your yard. I know a lot of people say, oh, these products don't work, they're too weak, and that's not true. Yeah, they got lower ingredients inside the bag because it's a big box store product. It's not one of those high grade chemicals that you find offline. A lot of people can't get those higher grade chemicals because of like rules and regulations in the state. So these are going to be your options. These are pretty much available almost in every big box store, with like exceptions of maybe like Canada or something. You know, their rules and regulations might be a little strict. I don't know if you guys are from Canada. Let me know if these items are available to you. But you're going to be applying these products the right way. Now, I want to show you what I mean about being in the prevent stage and the curative stage. When it comes to actually preventing the fungus, if you guys can see right here, it says 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. That's what you apply at a preventative stage. When you are preventing, 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Now, when you're in the curative stage, when you're trying to fight off that fungus, you see how the dosage actually goes up? 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So you're using twice the amount of product if you're fighting from behind. That's why I always say you got to be ready. You want to apply this in the prevent stage. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you product. This bag here, it's a 10-pound bag. So imagine if you're in a prevent stage, you're using 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So for me, this is 2,000, about 2,500 square feet. I'm going to be using, you know, half the bag. Now, if I'm trying to fight off the fungus, I'm using 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. I'm gonna end up needing 2 bags of this at one time just to actually fight off the fungus. That's why I say always be in the prevent stage. You're gonna save yourself time, you're gonna save yourself money. All right, same thing with the Bio Advance. If you see the preventative rate and the curative rate, the preventative rate 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. The curative rate 3.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. See, you're using more product when you're fighting from behind. That's what I talk about. We're only dealing with grass here, so these products will work. Now, if you want something stronger, the liquid, this is one bottle is going to cover 5,000 square feet. It's a 32-ounce bottle, so think about it. If you use 16 ounces, that's 2,500 square feet that you used already, and then you have another 2,500 to actually work with for a second treatment if you got a 5,000 square foot yard. That's me. I use this bottle 2 times because I'm breaking it up in 2 halves here. Now, if I do have a fungus, I always make sure I spray that fungus a little heavier with this liquid product. Now, when it comes to the liquid product, it doesn't really tell you how much to use per 1,000 square feet. But I know, like, if you have Bermuda grass and you got a fungus, this bottle, it says 5,000 square feet. For us up here in the northern states, I think on the directions it's going to tell you 2,500 square feet for Bermuda grass. So it's a little different depending on all grass types. But all these products can be used on all grass types, so you don't have to worry about that. So why I switch back and forth between products, the Scots offer one different ingredient, the Bio Advance offer another different ingredient. So now when it comes to your grass, you don't want to use the same active ingredient every time because the grass will start to build up a resistance to that active ingredient, and then that's why it won't work. So if you keep constantly buying the Scots every year, and then you're wondering why you keep getting a fungus or it's not really reacting to it properly, it's probably because it already kind of built up a resistance, and you might want to switch up the technique a little bit. So that's why I'll go back and forth. So one year or one season I'll use the Scott's Disease X, the next I'll use the Bio Advance. Or I'll buy both bags and I'll do the first 30-day treatment with the Scott's, the next 30 days treatment with the Bio Advance. I'll switch it up. Because, like I said, it'll build up a resistance. But if you're adding 2 different ingredients in it, then the lawn doesn't know, the grass plant doesn't know, and it'll absorb it, and it won't build up that resistance. Now, the Scots offer oxystrobin, 0.31%. This is the lowest of the bunch, but like I said, it's a different ingredient. The Bio Advance granulated product offers propiconazole at 0.51%. So like I said, the liquid is always your best option if you want something quick, fast. You don't have to do anything, shake up your product, put the hose in, start spraying, and it's the strongest of the bunch, more than double the active ingredient in the other 2 here. But like I said, these are competitors, but they are going to work together pretty much. Now, don't apply these products together. Like I said, separate your applications if you do choose to buy both bags. That's what I do, and that's what's worked best for me. Now, the organic stuff, this is going to be all like citric acid, rosemary, stuff of that nature. A lot of stuff that you can actually consume. That's why it's organic, and it's a lot safer for people because the stuff that you actually eat, you know, rosemary, people use rosemary oil, stuff like that, peppermint oil, stuff like that. So it's easier on the human body. But if you guys are interested, these are the products that I use faithfully every season. I do it in the preventative stage. I don't wait until I'm battling from behind. Like I said, it becomes stressful, and you're going to be using more product and spending more time and money. So my first treatment, I will be going down with the Scott's Disease X this year. That should give me my first 30 days coverage. But like I said, I'm going to come out and assess the lawn in 20 days. If something weird look like it's happening or brewing up, then I'll come back and put the Bio Advance down. Or if I do catch a lawn fungus, I will be using liquid to knock it right out. But if I'm just doing 30-day coverage here and next 30-day coverage, then I'll use the Bio Advance granulated product just to get 2 different active ingredients in the lawn. And my lawn should be taken care of for the season. Normally I get away with 1 treatment for the year. But like I said, if it's a wacky year, something happens that unexpected, then I'm already prepared. I'll get both of these down. But a lot of people that have the lawns where, or you live in a climate where it's soggy, rains constantly, the lawn doesn't get to dry out properly, then yeah, you guys want to make sure you already have these on hand, putting them down in the soil in the prevent stage so you can take care of anything happening. So there you have it. That's what I'm going to be using. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are using, or if you guys are using something totally different. I mean, it's all just options here. I'm just bringing you the options or what I use. If you guys want to follow along or you needed help, leave it in the comment section. I'll respond. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope it gave you a little knowledge and a quick breakdown of why to use these different products and to mix them up. Guys, it's only grass. Don't worry about it. Everything can be fixed. You do not need to know every single fungus. Majority of the times you can buy one of these products if you see something going wrong in the lawn, and these products will handle the problem. So hope you guys enjoy. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more videos, and I got more videos coming in the future. So take care.